Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to class 6 in the lecture series on making an effective resume. In this class, we shall try to understand what is career objective and career summary in detail. Together, we call it resume introduction. So, what is a resume introduction? Resume introduction gives a brief introduction of candidate's profile to an interviewer. It discloses candidates' skills, important events, abilities, strengths, and brief additional qualifications which may fetch a job to the candidate. Now, why is this important? An interviewer always prefers to read less to understand about a candidate, and career summary or career objective is a section reading which an interviewer will get a brief idea about a candidate. Writing an effective career summary and career objective is very important in terms of holding the attention of the interviewer. In this video, we shall try to understand what and how to write a resume career statement. Let us go through these career statement examples, which may not suit to everybody but carry the essence of these career statements which are shown here. First sample career statement says, looking for an opportunity where I can put my programming abilities and expertise in Python to good use by making a difference through excellence and adhering to organization goals. In this career statement 1, the candidate is clearly specifying what he or she is good at. He specifically mentions programming abilities and his or her expertise in Python, which gives a scope to a technical interviewer to pick questions. Or career statement 2 says, looking to apply my demonstrated talents in Cisco and firewalls in an MNC to accomplish their business goals. Again, it is very important to write a career statement or otherwise called a career objective in a specific manner. Second career statement tells the interviewer the student's ability in Cisco and firewalls. Statement 3 says it's TO2, work in a vibrant learning environment where I can add value through my knowledge on cloud computing. If you observe all these 3 career statements, otherwise called career objectives, you might have understood that they are only dealing in specifics instead of writing a career objective which is vague or unclear. So this is how specific a candidate's career statement or career objective should be. Now, what's a career summary? Well, career statement is many a times a one sentence. Career summary is more than one sentence which briefs about a candidate's profile. Going through a sample candidate's career summary, a passionate computer science graduate from XYZ Institute of Technology with 5 months of network administration internship experience. You can see here, student or candidate is mentioning his engineering specialization and the institute with a 5 months internship experience as network administration. And Cisco CCNP certified. So he's clearly mentioning he's certified in Cisco CCNP. Published a technical paper titled VPN Remote Access Based VPN Security Vulnerabilities and Computer Measurements in an IEEE conference. Professional flutist and owns a band by name, a random name is given here. Now, going through these quick 4 brief points, an interviewer will come to a conclusion on a candidate's abilities, knowledge, skills, strengths, education, experience in the form of internship if he or her is a fresher, certifications any technical contributions, academic or non-academic, any extracurricular contributions. So this gives a brief, effective summary of a candidate. Hope this information helps you in writing your own career objective or career summary. In our next video, we shall discuss about how you can present your educational qualifications. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you.